Still here, still sanding. The compressor's been delivered also. That's going to hide under there for now. Keep out of the way of the dust. Back onto the second door again. Great fun. So I much prefer this method of getting it all smooth. After the initial laying down of the filler, get that sanded, and then I put a filler primer on there. Now I much prefer that instead of the guide coat, the black dust that you put on. Much prefer just putting a rattle can filler primer on it, then sanding it down. I'm currently at the 320 grit stage, and then get it nice and flat. Well, it's time to get everything moved out of the way so I can get the bus in the correct position, and I'm absolutely crapping myself just in case I can't get her back in. Well, that's a different perspective for both you and me. I think I should have moved that trolley, eh? But now I've got to get it on skids and get it over to this side of the workshop and then get the bug back in. So that's going to be it from me for today. I think I've accomplished something. So until the next time, make it better than it was. I'll see you on the next one.